Welcome to our comprehensive guide on AI image generation. Today, we are exploring the exciting world of generative art, comparing the biggest platforms available, and helping you decide which tool is right for your creative needs. First, let us understand how this magic works. At its core, an AI image generator takes a text prompt from you, processes it through a massive neural network trained on billions of images, and creates a completely unique visual from scratch. It is not searching for an image, it is painting one pixel by pixel. The landscape is dominated by four major players. Midjourney, known for its artistic flair; DALL-E 3 by OpenAI, famous for its logic; Stable Diffusion, the open-source hero; and Adobe Firefly, the commercial standard for professionals. Let us dive into each one. Midjourney is widely considered the king of artistic quality. It produces stunning, painterly images with incredible lighting by default. However, it currently operates entirely through Discord, which can be a bit overwhelming for new users. It is a paid service, but for many artists, the results are worth every penny. Next up is DALL-E 3. This model is integrated directly into ChatGPT. Its biggest strength is understanding you. You can speak to it in plain English, and it will follow your instructions precisely, even rendering text inside images better than most competitors. Stable Diffusion is for the tinkerers and control freaks. It is open source, meaning you can run it on your own computer for free if you have a powerful graphics card. It offers unparalleled control with tools like ControlNet, allowing you to pose characters exactly how you want. Adobe Firefly is built for the workplace. It is trained on Adobe stock images, making it safe for commercial work without copyright concerns. It is seamlessly integrated into Photoshop, allowing you to extend images or change backgrounds with a simple click. Here is a quick breakdown. Midjourney wins on art style but loses points on ease of use. DALL-E 3 is the easiest to start with. Stable Diffusion is free but technical, and Firefly is the safest bet for business workflows. Getting good results is about speaking the language. A good formula to remember is subject, plus art style, plus details. Be specific about lighting, texture, and mood to guide the AI toward your vision. So, which one should you choose? If you want pure beauty, go with Midjourney. For ease of use, DALL-E 3. For control, Stable Diffusion. And for work, Firefly. The best way to learn is to start experimenting today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.